Hi there, this is my lock, and welcome to the 62nd episode of Mini Lock Monday. And this week I've got a couple of warded padlocks, a low and Fletcher, possibly brass shackle. Unfortunately, no key, and got this star made in England. Again, a warded padlock, number 2 stamped on it. So we'll do this one first. It's got an open keyway and the Lock Tools warded picks, and just as easy as that. The low and fletch. Now at least it has a bit of wording on the spinner. Unfortunately, it doesn't stop the worded picks from getting in. There we go. Pity that didn't come with its key, but you know, and was it Bosnianville? We don't need no stinking keys. Nice to have them though. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.